Hi friends, it's Nancy from nancyfurbshares.com. Today I have a showcase for you of my very favorite bundle in the new annual 2024-25 catalog. And stay with me, I have two great tips at the end for using this bundle. This bundle is Country Birdhouse. Oh my goodness, I thought it was so sweet. It's got great sentiments, a little bird and a birdhouse, and lots of fun dies, 23 dies. So let's get started. The first one, I was just playing and I used the embossing folder from this bundle. And this is called the Eyelet 3D embossing folder, and with all the new in colors for this year. And this is the saying from the stamp set: hope you have the best day ever. A nice, just general card to show off the new in colors. Next, here's a sweet little card on a gray color. The birdhouse is cut out of the Country Lace Designer Series paper. Added a few little flowers there, and then this little chain to hang it. Isn't that cute? I just love, love, love this set. I think there's so many possibilities. This card features the new basic beige color. It's very easy to work with. I think you'll like it. Try it if you don't have it yet. This paper is the Country Woods Designer Series paper, made to look like old wood. And I have a little bird in there peeking out. Cute little post here with some scrolls and a little flower and some twine. And next, this one, I stamped the birdhouse in black, die cut it, and then I used blends to fill in the hole. You want it to look deep and dark in there. That's where the nest is. And then the scrolls here. And then this is part of the birdhouse, this little ledge on the bottom. It gives the birds a place to sit if you'd like to put your bird on there. Some cute little scrolls and a flower. Next, I used the Countryside Inn Designer Series paper and boho blue color with Night of Navy. And the little birds are colored with blends in the yellows and a little green on the chest. I think this is such a cute card. Two birds, little flower. Lots of fun, lots of fun. This one, I tried to make kind of a flowering tree above there with lots of the little flowers and leaves from this bundle. And this wood paper is also the Country Woods Designer Series paper with the words from the bundle, Happy Birthday. You've got a little brown bird looking out. Just had so much fun with this set. Then last but not least, this is the Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. And this is a little bit brighter, a little more bold use of color. I want to show you, I have a tip for you to use to get these little dots in there so it actually looks like eyelet. Leave your die cut right in the die. Don't take it out. Grab yourself one of your Stampin' Write markers and just color in each little circle, and they'll be perfectly spaced when you remove the paper from the die, and you'll have that cute little eyelet look right there. You'll notice some of the birdhouses had a base and some didn't. Well, here is another tip. This is how the die cuts out your birdhouse. Now, one of my papers, I didn't have enough designer paper to cut the whole thing, so I just slid it down. And if this is the edge of the paper, I just, well, let's do it this way so you can see better. I just did it like this. I didn't cut that ledge. I just had the birdhouse go straight across here, and it uses a little less paper if you're short of the designer series paper you want to use, or if you need a little smaller birdhouse. I had so much fun creating, and I'm going to be making lots more cards with this bundle. I hope you'll give it a try, and this month is a perfect time to purchase. June 5th through the 30th of 2024, all stamp sets with dies in a bundle are an additional 10% off of the price. So you can save a little and have lots of fun. Please visit me at nancyferbshares.com. There I have tips, tricks. I always have the promotion of the month, and you can order or join my team. Bye for now.